All week, we've been seeing HBAR climbing the ladder board, jumping up there, running with the top cryptocurrencies over the last week or so. We're going to talk about HBAR and what it's been doing in this video. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So also follow me on X if you are watching me there as well. I do cross-post my videos. And a follow or subscribe just means you want to follow my content. It doesn't actually, you don't have to pay for it or anything like that. It is free to do so. So I would greatly appreciate it. It helps out my channel immensely. So let's talk about HBAR. HBAR this week is one of the best performing large cap layer one assets. So the run that we've just experienced has erased more than 6 months of a decline in the price. I know a lot of people were signaling saying that HBAR was dead. HBAR is never coming back. What a crappy investment and such. But I mean, guys, we just needed the right scenario for these types of coins to run. Layer ones have been just, encompassing the spotlight over the last week, and this thing is right up there with the top dogs. So I had no reservations whatsoever. I knew HBAR is one of the forefronts of layer one ecosystems out there. So it actually shot up past the $5 billion market cap. We're actually sitting right now at about 5.76 billion. It's also been criticized, recently for its rather limited DApp ecosystem, but it is building. It's working on it. It's out there. They're out there networking. The association has been out there and, making these big partnerships with a ton of different, entities in globally, really. And, these guys are putting in a lot of work. I actually see these guys as an early Ripple. That's just my opinion. I think that they're just out there and they're networking and they're building this thing out. And it's going to take some time. Like, this is not something, we're not dealing with meme coins here, guys. We're not going to get rich overnight kind of thing, but this is to me, and this is not financial advice whatsoever, but this is a solid investment long term for me. And I think HBAR is definitely up there in, like I said, in the top cryptocurrencies, especially in the L1 space. The platform's seen its total value lock swell by a third over the last week as protocols like Saucer Swap and Stater has spiked. The recent resurrection appears to be related to, where XRP and Stellar XLM has been pumping, which is partially driven by SEC Chair Gary Gensler saying that he's going to be stepping down. He will be stepping down on January 20th when Trump takes office and being inaugurated. Hedera is in line for a potential U.S. spot ETF. On November the 12th of this year, Canary Capital has filed an S1 registration with the U.S. SEC to launch an HBAR spot exchange traded fund. So we can see this is the announcement here. Canary Capital Group LLC files a registration statement with the SEC for an HBAR ETF. So that's interesting. I'm really liking this. I can't wait to see what happens from here. There's a number of prominent cryptos that have been filing for ETFs, and I think that HBAR I think is in line for one, in my opinion. I think that they can do it. So let's jump over. We're going to take a look at the chart here. Like I mentioned, up 108% over the last 7 days, sitting at about 15 cents right now. Take a look at the last month, 194% gain. So it is just crushing it. I mean, we're back up to the I'm going to call the mini bear market that we just had kind of over the summer. We're back up to those levels. That was 16 cents back in April, and we are right up to 15 right now. So, things are definitely looking very good. And this is the HBAR ecosystem. This is on CoinMarketCap. So I just basically went into the HBAR Hedera Hashgraph ecosystem here. And so this is what is going on there. These are the top gainers, the top coins in the ecosystem here. The top gainers actually are Tune FM. We've got Headstarter. There's a few Sauce Inu actually. We've got HBAR. We've got XSauce, Saucer Swap. So XSauce, I believe, is the coin that you get when you stake on Saucer Swap. So we can see, definitely these things are moving up. Still some great opportunities here. Look at the market cap. Sauce is one that I hold as well. And the market cap is still relatively low for that. So It's one I'm gonna continue to hold long term as well because I think, once the HBAR, establishes itself and, more development starts happening on the network, Sauce is gonna be a prominent, player in the space, so, I'm looking forward to seeing that thing blow up as well. So that's basically what I got for you guys today. Just wanna give you a quick update what's going on with the price action of HBAR. Looking really good, guys. I'm really impressed at what's going on here. Let me know down below, what's your favorite HBAR ecosystem token? I do like Sauce. I think Sauce is, like I said, has a ton of room to grow, and I think I'm gonna, do pretty well with that. I mean, sometimes we see, the ecosystem. We can look for those plays that are like, going to be very, very relevant down the road, and that's where a lot of times you can make the most money. So that's what I'm locking in on as well. HBAR obviously is my number one, and then I'm into Sauce, and I have some other small altcoins as well in the HBAR ecosystem. Let me know what your favorite one is, though. I'd like to take a look at it. So let me know. Talk to you guys later, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.